What a wonderful day it is to come together as one big family and celebrate the annual day of Podar International School.
Fantastic. Audience detected. I am so happy. I am here on this wonderland, Podar.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. It's a story of values that resonate with us and our mission, where you'll find answers to big questions. And I think one thing that we are displaying in this story today is to be humble, to be honest, and build a strong family bonding.
Come with me and you'll be in a world of your imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination.
My name is Willy Wonka, and in the course of my long and spectacular career, I have created more than 200 sensational and original new candy bars. Please gather together all the Oompa Loompas. I have an important announcement to make.
Chocolate ices, the chocolate spices will grow and grow and grow.
And a miracle or two, the candy man.
Mr. Willy Wonka has decided to allow 5 children to visit his world-famous chocolate factory. These lucky 5 will tour the factory and win a lifetime supply of chocolate.
So, tell us about the ticket. Yeah, I just knew my little sausage would find that golden ticket.
And what does it got to do with breakfast, sister?
Because my daughter Veruca here is a very special girl indeed. And when she said she simply had to have one of them there, golden tickets, see? We went nuts buying Wonka bars by the hundreds.
Why aren't you guys going to school?
School is cancelled. Everyone's going Wonka crazy.
A new shipment just arrived at the candy shop. We want to be first in line. Come on! That's okay. You guys go on without me.
Touchdown in purple ink and think positive.
Wonka's contest, I laid off the gum and switched straight onto candy bars. That's how I found my ticket.
School! Who needs school? I got the net, TV, and my Game Boy, fool.
Some kids like electric trains and some kids like to use their brains to won a university degree. I don't share their thirst for knowledge. I don't need to go to college. Me, I see it all on TV.
Look at that! There's a coin lying right here in the snow. A silver dollar. I think you must have dropped this.
It's probably been buried in the snow for weeks. Take it home and take this too for being such a good kid.
Really? Thanks.
'Cause I got a golden ticket. I got a golden ticket. Wanna be a dreamer, be one. Anytime you please. To compare with your imagination. To be free if you truly wish to be.
Not without my lawyer. Let me give him a ring. No mobile phones.
In this room here is a rock candy mine. They say that 3 miles deep.
And in that room there are the marshmallow pillows who munch and you just can't sleep.
1700 candy showrooms, barrooms,
Storerooms, bathrooms, ballrooms.
and you'll find chocolate in almost all rooms.
You must not, under any circumstances, touch the chocolate.
If you are wise, you listen to me.
It's delicious. So tender and juicy. I'm turning blue. Bye.
you gonna do, huh? Just standing there singing, "Am I blue?" Yes, it's true. She's turning blue.
Oompa loompa doompa dee dee. If you are wise, you'll listen to me.
Flying.
I'm flying.
I'm not sure. It's getting louder though. We better float down. This is fun. They're so adorable. Here, Squirrely.
Veruca! Whatever you do, you must not disturb the squirrels. They're in training, you see.
Listen here, Wonka. I want a squirrel, and what I want, I get.
I want a party with roomfuls of laughter, 10,000 tons of ice cream, and if I don't get the things I am after, I'm going to scream.
Television gave me a wonderful idea. If you can send a picture via television, why not a candy bar?
You're joking. That's impossible.
Oh, it's very possible.
Mike!
Because from this moment on, it's all yours. What do you say, Charlie?
I say yes, Mr. Wonka.
Loompa doompa dee dee. If you are wise, you'll listen to me. Everything he bakes, satisfying and delicious. Talk about your childhood wishes. You can even eat the dishes. Oompa loompa doompa dee doo. I've got a final puzzle for you.
Podar was more than a place of learning. The lessons I learned, the friendships I made, and the memories I created here will always continue to assess me in my personal and professional career. Thank you, Vandana ma'am. Thank you, coordinators, and thank you to all my teachers and to all the students.
Kids have really done so well, and I can see that there's a lot of effort that goes in by the school. So really, a round of applause to all the kids. You know, thank you.
Podar International School, every success in their studies, their extracurricular activities, and in that wonderful 8-minute video earlier, it was amazing to see so much vibrancy going on at the life here at the school. So thank you very much indeed for your leadership, and I wish all students every success in their study.
Excellent, super, outstanding. We enjoyed like anything.